Alright, this is a draw 4 or fire 4 and then reload. 4R4, that's what it's called. From 7 yards. In less than, I think, 8 seconds, plenty of time. Not the best. I lost the dot for a second. That's okay.